About 45% of the people in this world are stressed. And as per studies, every sixth Indian you meet is experiencing some or the other symptoms of anxiety or stress, which is actually affecting their quality of life. Can you imagine that? Now, in this video, I'm going to take you through 5 simple steps that if you implement on a daily basis, can definitely reduce the symptoms of stress and help you live a more fulfilling life. The first habit to include is to start your day with gratitude. Now, this personally has completely transformed my life. Here's what you need to do. Okay, as soon as you wake up, before your feet even hit the ground, before you check your phone, say thank you. There are about 200,000 people who die in a day, give or take. They do not wake up to see the sunrise, but here you are awake. Thank you, thank you. There's a gift of another day. Thank you, I get to be with my loved ones. Thank you, I get to do my dharma. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Start your day with thank you. The sense of gratitude when you begin the day, prepares a cocktail of happy hormones in your brain, and your body is ready, receptive, enthusiastic, energetic, and radiant if you start your day with thank you. Habit number 2 is to begin your day with some sort of a movement. There are 4 happy hormones that our brain produces. One such hormone is called endorphin. Now, endorphin is a natural painkiller and makes us happy. It reduces the amount of cortisol. Now, cortisol is the stress hormone. Okay. Now, that is the reason why it is necessary to have some sort of a movement every day. It doesn't mean you need to spend an hour at the gym, although that is really, really good. What you can do is go for a half an hour walk, or do some yogic stretches. Take an online yoga class. There are many, many options, but begin your day, have at least some sort of a movement for about 20 to 25 minutes every day. It releases endorphins. Once you decide that, okay, I'm going to work out, and then when you do that, that sense of achievement secretes another hormone called dopamine, which again is a happiness hormone. So you have a double impact of these 2 happiness hormones. The amount of cortisol in your blood reduces, and you live a more fulfilling life. Habit number 3 is mindfulness. Now, our minds usually do 2 things. One, they usually ruminate or worry about the past, or they take these past memories and project a future. So we are mostly mentally living either in the past or in a future. And in that process, do you realize that you actually forget to live your life, which is actually the present moment, the here and now? Now, here's where mindfulness comes in. Mindfulness helps you to be present here and now, not in the past that is over, not in the future that has not yet come. Here and now. There are many mindfulness activities you can do. Mindfulness meditations are all over the internet, even on YouTube. There's an app called Insight Timer, on which I have a lot of my meditations as well. So I will tag a few meditations down in the description box. You could try it out. Once you start your mindfulness meditations, you can slowly start taking mindfulness outside your meditation into your daily life, into every activity. And you will see this is a huge stress reliever. So for the next 21 to 30 days, do some sort of a mindfulness activity, ideally a mindfulness meditation. And to help you with that, I will be linking the meditations, my favorite ones, down in the description box. Habit number 4 is prioritize sleep. Now, I've noticed, recently it's happening more, that most of my therapy clients and clients in my transformation programs do not get enough sleep. There is no priority to sleep. We are so busy in our hustle and in our daily life that sleep is not given priority. Please give sleep that priority, because when you sleep, there is a hormone called melatonin that is released. Okay, melatonin is like the housekeeping department. It's slowly repairing the cells that are damaged. It's slowly healing the tissues that needs to be healed. So melatonin needs time to work. And that happens only in our sleep. So I always recommend a very good winding down, a pre-sleep ritual or a routine where you're playing a light music, you're doing some light stretches. You definitely are keeping the phone away, and you slowly and peacefully get into sleep. Sleep, your body needs that downtime. Habit number 5 is connecting with others. Now, the biggest survey in the world, the biggest study on happiness, which is still ongoing, by the way, has right now, as of now, revealed that a sense of connection, a community, is what actually gives people the sense of happiness and fulfillment. Now, some of you might ask, I'm an introvert. No, introverts need connection as well. I'm not saying that you need a whole society to be connected to. Even one person that you can be connected to is good. So reach out to friends and family. If possible, hang out with them. This again releases a hormone called oxytocin. This is called the socializing hormone. Oxytocin is another superb, what do I say, a happiness hormone. And oxytocin is released whenever you connect with others, share a laughter, and go out, have fun. This is when oxytocin is released. So ensure that you connect with your loved ones, your friends. I hope you've written down these 5 habits. These are fairly simple. I ensure that in my videos, I don't give huge tasks for you that you find it really difficult to crack. But these are simple steps. And I hope you can do it for the next 21 to 30 days. And let me know in your comment section if that made a difference or not. I'll see you soon in my next video that is going to be interesting. Meanwhile, here are some videos for you to watch. Namaste.